Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play Apex on your Mac. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. So for that matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first, access your Apex on your browser. So you can see we are in this ea.com and we have access our Apex game. So the thing is, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will find that what is the Apex is supported by and where you can watch it. So you can see these are the platforms we can actually connect it and watch it with, which also streams on Steam and Xbox and PlayStation, obviously, and EA, right? So but even if you go to this download for free, if we drop down, we have this option of downloading and playing this on the Windows, right? It's easily accessible, but for the Mac we cannot seem to find that information and the availability. So if you would like to play Apex on your Mac, you will have to take a help from a third party stream, right? So for that, GeForce would be one of the options. You gotta go ahead, go to GeForce, simply go there, install it, and then you have to get your game installed from there on your Mac, and then you will start playing just like so. There is no direct way to play Apex on your Mac. You will have to get the help of the third party, which GeForce is simple. You're gonna go log in, create your account, and start playing through it. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.